Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you my design team package that I received for the month of July for Country Craft Creations, and I got Fruit Paradise by Prima. And these are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous papers. And Prima just always just knocks me over. I have a ton of Prima flowers and Prima papers, but this is brand new, so I do not have this in my collection. I'm so excited to play with this. And you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of my grandma's kitchen. And some of the best times of my entire childhood were spent in my grandma's kitchen. So I'm very excited to play with this kit. I think that we are going to come up with some really awesome projects for you. Actually, I already came up with them all, but I'm not going to give you any hints as to what we're going to do yet. So look at these. Look at these. Aren't these just beautiful? These, I love that pink gingham paper and all these, just absolutely gorgeous. And then the cherry blossoms. I think this is just an outstanding, and it's kind of funny too because it's not really something I would have bought for myself because it's, kind of fruit. So I really honestly wouldn't have sat down and thought about what to do with it off the top of my head, but being sent it as a design team package, the ideas just started rolling as soon as I opened it up and looked at everything. So yeah, I'm really excited. It comes with these gorgeous chipboard stickers, which you're going to need. So if you are going to be following any of my projects, you're going to want to pick these up because we are going to use these for all of our projects. I'll open up my little bag here, if I can get it open. So we got some more seam binding, which matches beautifully, which we're definitely going to be using this. Actually, we're going to be using quite a bit of it on one of the projects, so you might want to pick up some of that. We've got the flowers. Like I said, I have a ton of Prima flowers, but none of them that would match this set. So I'm so glad that we have this so I don't have to waste my paper making flowers. And then we've got this beautiful ribbon. And these are a bunch of stickers that kind of look like, they remind me of stamps. And we're definitely going to use these, or I'll find places to use these for sure. So here's everything that I received, and I'm finishing up the June projects. And I know I'm a little bit behind because I kind of got into the design team a little bit late, but I will try to get all of the projects out and get into the July stuff ASAP. So thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you guys have a fabulous, fabulous week. Bye-bye.